All right, guys, what's popping? It's Icy, and I know you guys heard a lot about this project already over the months, but for my small channel, I'm still going to do my job informing and bringing awareness to my supporters. So if you haven't done so far, do something to that like button right now. Let's get it. So Liquid Capital, I know you guys heard of it. They're working with over 30 partners in this space. Some you guys may have heard of, and we're going to go over that list as well. But I've noticed sometimes with these projects, especially either if they're new or I haven't invested into them, my videos be like 30 minutes long, and I don't want that to happen. So we're just going to comb through this, and I'm going to encourage you guys to do your own research. There's a pre-sale going on right now. I inserted coins using the Titano link, not because I'm in Titano, but because I was going to be in Titano. It really doesn't matter as much. It's better if you're in one of those projects because you get a percentage bonus. Like, for example, if you're in Titano, or I'm not sure if it's Titano, but if you're in one of these projects, you get a percentage bonus for using the link under that project. So Liquid Capital, welcome to the new era of DeFi. Liquid Capital is designed to deliver what DeFi investors desire most: safety, accountability, and sustainability. My bad. I got somebody messaging me right now. Okay, this is one take video, so hopefully y'all don't see that on the screen. Built and managed by a team of successful DeFi veterans, that's key, DeFi veterans, who use most effective strategies and tools. The project will set a new standard in DeFi space in the terms of profitability, sustainability, and safety. That's what we want. So make sure you guys read the white paper because y'all know that's a 40-minute video. Liquid Capital consists of several key elements that combine to provide the new standard in DeFi. Now, I'm sure you guys have heard of Titano. I'm sure you heard of Grape Finance. I'm sure you heard of ames. I'm sure you heard of Horde. It's a man. We're gonna go through it. Let me get some of this stuff off the screen, bro. Like, what the Circle of Trusted Partners, which stands for CTP. Liquid Capital will serve as a focal point for a circle of trusted partners who are doxed, because I know people love that, gotta love it, to LC, which is Liquid Capital, and have their projects vetted by LC. The CTP, Circle of Trusted Partners, will provide reciprocal co-marketing, co-development of use cases, and additional support for other CTP members. This, in turn, ensures greater safety and security for DeFi investors. All right. DeFi as a service, DAAS. Some of you guys may have software as a service. This is DeFi as a service. Liquid Capital, leveraging experience, expertise, and knowledge, will offer consultant and professional services in our true DAAS offerings. From community building to complex protocol development, LC offers a full range of products and services to assist DeFi projects and help them succeed. DeFi education platform. This is a list of things. This is a loaded project right here. Liquid Capital is committed to demystifying Web 3.0 and making DeFi accessible to everyone. The DEP will constantly evolve to keep new and inexperienced DeFi investors up to date with the latest technology, risks, and rewards of DeFi. Liquid Capital Launchpad. Here we go. That's gonna bring in more. A lot of people try to, never mind, let me stop because that's what makes these videos long. Liquid Capital Launchpad. The Liquid Capital Launchpad provides a vital service to the LTP, which we mentioned above, DAAS, and the DEP. It will set a new standard in safe, fair, and effective DeFi project launches and ensure new projects get off to the right start. Liquid auto rebasing, LAR. Liquid Capital's first protocol, Liquid AR, exemplifies what Liquid Capital stands for. LAR's unique tokenomics prioritizes long-term sustainability and growth over short-term hype. That's what we want. Because we don't, never mind, let me stop. At the core is a highly sustainable, variable, daily percentage yield that updates based on the health of the project. So basically, the first month is going to be 1% to 2% daily yield. It's going to adjust based on the health of the project. Second month could be, I think the numbers are going to be on here somewhere, and I don't want to mess that up. But it's not going to be, hey, we're going to give you some outrageous APR, and that's it. And then the project just goes up and goes down. And then you can't recover. They said, no. We're not doing it. We're not doing that. So this is going to be some revolutionary stuff in the DeFi space, if you ask me. Furthermore, the multi-chain launch, which they do have, this is crazy. It's not like, oh, BSC and that's it. Oh, I only mess with yeah, we got something for you too. Don't run. We got something for you too. We got something for everybody. Furthermore, the multi-chain launch with all of the circle of trusted partners protocols incentivizes participation and cooperation among all the communities involved. Well, this is about to be crazy, y'all. LAR will be the first protocol to demonstrate the full potential of having a DeFi circle of trust where a multitude of partners can come together to share ideas, strategies, technologies, and marketing resources for maximum mutual benefit. We got all hands on deck. It will mark a new era in DeFi. Man. This is what y'all get. Whale strategies. Because people are like, what if the whales and the YouTubers? Listen, we got something for everybody, y'all. Whale strategies. DeFi is about freedom, ownership, and equal opportunity. Within the proper structure, whales can become cherished pillars of the DeFi community rather than bad actors to be feared. That was hot. Liquid Capital will actively work to make DeFi equally attractive for both whales and everyday fish through strong tokenomics, well-rounded education, and open dialogue. LAR is the access key to the Liquid Capital ecosystem. Built for the passive investor, LAR gives investors holding LQD, which is liquid token, positive rebases that automatically compound within their wallets without the need to lock or stake them. Just the same as we were doing with LockPay and all that stuff that didn't work out. If you guys are, following the channel. So basically, if you had a token, once you buy the token and it's in your wallet, you don't have to do anything else but connect to the website. And that's awesome because you don't have to deal with putting stuff in and it's locked and you can't sell and blah, 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 blah. However, they got something for them whales, you know what I'm saying? And they got something for everybody. LQD holders gain the following benefits. So let's look at these benefits, y'all, shall we? Dynamic APY. Liquid AR implements a sustainable dynamic APY based on volume. So if things is getting a little low, it will be adjusted. If things are a little high, things are going to be adjusted. We don't have to deal with devs tweaking contracts, doing 2.0s, and making people lose interest. 30-minute rebases. Interest paid over 30 minutes or 48 times per day. So you don't got to worry about doing stuff like Props Farmer, logging in. You're losing sleep, waking up at 4 in the morning. We don't got time for that either. Variable taxes. Variable rate sell and buy taxes designed to the protocol. Investment safety. Liquid token always remain. I thought I was in the country somewhere. Liquid token always remains in your wallet, not staked in the protocol owned contract, and always under your control. To a certain extent. Unless you guys can figure out how to get this on the hard wallet or put on the ledger and connect to MetaMask. Automatic payments. There is no need to restake your reward tokens. Interest is compounded and paid automatically in your own wallet. That's crazy. Ensuring that you never miss a payment. And that's way better than what we're doing with LockPay because it's slightly different. Like LockPay, like it did grow in your wallet, but you can't, the restrictions were crazy. But if they would have worked out, nobody would like me would have been complaining. Sustainable dynamic APY. Liquid AR implements a sustainable dynamic APY based on volume for ultimate protocol sustainability. I'm interested in at least seeing what's going to be coming of this. I'm not putting the outrageous money. I'm not no whale. I've never been a whale in anything. Oh, that's the awe moment right there. But I'm going to put in something decent because I can smell a 10x potential. I can smell a 20x potential. And I have done that in some projects this year. So, rapid interest payments. Liquid AR pays interest to all LQD. I want to say LQD, like I want to say something crazy. LQD holders. Well, Liquid AR pays interest to all LQD holders every 30 minutes or 48 times per day. Hopefully on this page we get to that part where they show the Liquid AR. Token buybacks. Our protocol will employ two main strategies to manage stability. Buybacks to add liquidity and buybacks to send to reserve for future development. Now, I was watching the AMA where they was breaking this down. And word on the street, there's a popular project that implemented this a few months ago. And them boys, what 10x, and they have not looked back for months. That's crazy. But you never know what's gonna be a hit. This has a very strong chance. So I'm like, you know what? I've been falling back on investing. This month, this is like the first month of this year where I just say, even though I still put some money in some stuff. But this one, I'm like, you know what? Pre-sale, I don't have to jump through hoops. I don't have to bark like a dog. I don't have to jump on one leg to get a whitelist spot. They just saying, hey, come through, put your money in. We trying to raise about $10 million. And then after that, in about 7 days, we're going to launch. I'm like, damn, you mean to tell me I don't got to walk backwards and jump in? Like, I don't got to do all this stuff? I just got to say less. You don't need a letter from the president. You don't got to smoke 5 joints back to back. Like, you don't have to do anything crazy. All you got to do is just show up and put some money in. And they telling you all this stuff, and we still got more to go. So this might be a slightly longer video. I apologize in advance, y'all. Liquid AR roadmap. Liquid AR has an aggressive roadmap in the works, and more will come in the coming months to be added to this section. Below is a sneak peek of what is to come. Each one of our launches will take advantage of our Mint 2.0 pre-sale strategy. Launch. Fair launch. Okay, bop. We got a coin market cap listing, got a coin gecko listing. You know what I'm saying? Stability. Multi-community creation, multi-language website docs. That's going to be cool for people that's all over in these weird countries. You know what I'm saying? Dat radar, coin tracker, social media marketing, YouTube marketing. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to do my part. You know what I'm saying? Growth, PR marketing, SEO, partnership, cross-chain integration, merchandising. Okay. Maturity. NFT, boost NFT integration. No lost lottery game integration. No lost lottery game. What? Enhanced cross-chain functionality. Increase yield-bearing opportunities. CEX listens. Ooh. Want to know more? Read the white paper. Sustainable APY, auto rebasing, variable rate tax system. All right, guys. Now, before we close off this video, what I want to do, I don't know which one of these to click on, bro. I don't know which one of these to click on. Let me click on this one. All right, so here is Liquid Capital pre-sale. I don't know if y'all can see that with URL up there, because sometimes I'll be taking that off of the screen capture, but I'm gonna refresh this so y'all can see some of the partners. You know, I invested through Titano, but we got Titano, Orbital, Grape Finance that's kicking ASS, and it's been going pretty well. I remember when Elon Musk typed grape a few months ago, and a lot of things dealing with grape just started going crazy, and I missed it. I saw it. No, I didn't miss it. I told myself I missed it, and that's when I missed it. Like, oh snap! It's been one day. I could have just gotten into Great Finance and just, did my thing, but it's all good. Horde, man, these boys went from what, $15 to like $115, and they have not looked back, and it's been since March. That's crazy. Mini-verse finance, ames, DeFi, EMP money. Now I know y'all hear a lot of YouTubers talk about innovation. Shouts out to Crypto Talk. I think he just won a $31,000 lottery from EMP money. $31,000. They raised almost $400,000 so far. Titano, $200,000. So they're trying to raise that $10 million. And if everybody out of this, not everybody, maybe I did the math, but I got to come back to it. But it was somewhere around $300,000 amongst a certain amount of these efforts. I'm gonna do some math again. Somebody else break down this math with all these partners. But look at all these partners. Liquid Capital themselves, $200,000. I mean, CryptoNet, come through here, because I'm going to leave some links. I'm going to leave a link, but check out the Telegram. I recommend you do that. That way people can say, oh, I clicked on his link and I got scammed. Like, I don't got time for that. So you guys going to have to, like, I'm going to try to put a link in there, but I'm going to put a link. I might put a link to, freak that. I'm going to put a link, because I don't feel like doing all that work and how y'all do all that work. So I'm going to put a link. But what I want to show y'all is, I put in, matter of fact, let me see. I put in $800, right? So, pre-sale liquid capital.finance. You know what I'm saying? Let me refresh this real quick, just in case numbers start disappearing and shit. MetaMask was like stalling, all my numbers disappear. I'm like, wow, what's going on? So I'm gonna show y'all a live because I've been putting in like $100 every few hours whenever I like get something from another project. I just throw it on in here, and we might got about I don't know, maybe in a week before they hit 10 million. That's plenty of time since the time you see this video. And we if you are seeing this, go back to my Bandit video, because I'm giving away 5 more whitelist spots. So click that link on Bandit if you made it this far in the video and you wanted to get in. If you click that link, you probably be one of the first people out of those 5. I'm just throwing that out there. So if you wanna add some money, this is not a referral link. He's gonna get paid. He's gonna. I don't want to listen, bro. This is not a referral link. I swear, man. Some of y'all just be in your own way. Click. So I'm gonna do. Oh, I'm wilding, y'all. I'm wilding. I can't do it because I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all that. I ain't about to show y'all. Y'all just gonna have to take my word for it, because I was about to click. I'm gonna have to click some more links, and I don't feel like clicking links and doing this video over. Because so far it's been a clean video. My reading was like, at least y'all gotta give me at least, that was like 8 out of 10 reading. But if you don't think so, comment down below how you think I did on reading this stuff today. Let me see. That's pretty much it. Partners, like, I'm gonna click, but click, just do your research. I'm bringing you guys as much as I can with the way I do my videos and things. And this video is only, it's 20 minutes, y'all. So yeah, Liquid Capital, check it out. And don't say, I didn't know, because this is a small channel, and I work with a small group of people, but we do big things. What if? Let's play the what if game before we leave. What if? Now, you know what? Let me show y'all one more thing. I should have showed y'all this earlier, right? So let's check out Horde. And if you're still here, let's check out Horde. They got buys and sells out the wazoo, right? Buys and sells happening out the wazoo. Every day, all day long. Look at all these sales. But let's look at the daily chart. Look, these dudes just popping up selling. They just selling anything. They sold 2 and made $200. That's crazy. Now look, now we on the 15-minute, right? Wait, can I look at a bar chart? What the? Hold on, man. It's a little wild. Now let's go to the 1 day. Have you ever seen something like this? Yes or no? All right, let me get that off. Have you ever seen something like this? Yes or no? Hold on, y'all. Yes or no? This thing started on March 22nd. I don't know if it started down here at $8. I don't know. I'm so jealous of this. I hope it didn't. But I'm so jealous of this that I don't even know I don't even know how to hate on this. Let's just say it started at $8. This mother effer went from $8 on March the 22nd. Hold on, bro. I can't even see this. It went from $8 to $109. And you want to know what's spooky? It stayed. If this is like a support level right here, it just stayed there. From March 22nd, going on July 22nd. So March, April, May, June, July, almost 4 months. If you would have got in here during pre-sale, you'd have been balling for 4 months straight. And dudes is selling. Now, from this point, like it's like, but they probably got stuff implemented to keep this somewhat sustainable. It's been going like this for 4 months. This is horde. This is one of the partners for Liquid Capital. Just one of them. One of the partners. So we have people selling. People is eating off of this project. $200 a day ain't bad for whoever doing this. And then they got some buys about to come up, probably there, and they just bump. Maybe it might. I don't know. I don't want to speak on bad at all on any project. I'm just gonna say, hey, this is gonna probably be like that for a while, but I don't know. Will it break this resistance line? If we call this one right here, who knows? But I want to see everything just keep going crazy. People might be selling just to get into the other project. You don't know. But for this to fail like something outrageous, whatever they're doing is working, y'all. It's not going. You're not just gonna make a mistake. I've never seen this before, where something just go up like this and just stay. I was hoping LockPay was gonna do that, but it just didn't happen. But for 4 months, I can see. Okay, yeah, it's been going strong for 3 weeks. 4 months? You mean to tell me I can sell 2 horde a day, make $200 a day for 4 months? This is where it gets spooky. So I'm bringing y'all a project that has partners. You go horde right here. They got partners. We already know Titano going crazy. We already know Great Finance going crazy. Don't take my word for it. EMP Money going super crazy. Ames DeFi going crazy. Like, don't take my word for this stuff. He be promoting scams. He be promoting, like, bro. Are you in DeFi? Yes or no? I'm the yes or no king because I can't stand a man that would just dance. Are you in DeFi? Yes or no? Well, it depends. No, I said yes or no. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's all I wanted to know. Now we can move on, guys. We ignore these trolls in the comment section. We can ignore because your favorite YouTuber has promoted something that didn't work out consistently. To a certain extent, it just check people track history, and then eventually you get to the point where you find stuff that works, and you just work with the stuff that works, and you play with everything else. I don't know what else y'all want from me, but I do my fair share in bringing you some safe stuff. We done ate off crop farmers for a while. We ate off baked beans for a while. We ate off some of those other miners for a while. Some people ate off avarice. I just brought that late, but I still brought it. Because some people who watch me might not watch other people. And that's not being cocky. It's just some people just might do that. Some people watch other people might not watch me. So I try to bring some different things out. Piston going strong. I mean, it's down with the market, but it is what it is. So again, Liquid Capital. I'm transparent. I'm not about to show y'all no baller account. But guess what? I do got 8,000 tokens. I mean, that's something. I'm about to put $100 in here right when we get off this call or this video. My bad. This video. And my goal is about 1,000. But I'm a periodically check back. I'm a periodically check back here and see how close. Maybe when that mug hit a 5 million, I might throw some more in. This is a perfect opportunity to DCA in to something that's with the team. This with championship teams. Who knows? It could be something that just didn't pop off as much as the other ones, but we don't know. That's what I'm saying. You don't have to put nothing crazy. You don't have to put anything crazy in here to get a good footing. I got 10,000 tokens. All right, I'll rock with that. Because you don't know what's going to happen. I'll rock with that. But when you start playing what if games and things like this potentially happen, dudes are just waking up and selling too hard. What if you was selling too liquid and the price went from 20 cent, because I think that's what it is, 20 cent to $5 or something. 20 cent to $1. My bad. Let's do that. Somebody's like, it can't go to 20. It can't do that because no, 20 cent to $1. What if it goes from 20 cent to $1 and just stay there? And you got in right now. And 4 months from now, you just, hey, you getting 1% of a crazy account. You getting 1% of a $30,000 account. What if? And then it sustains and you just grow it. Because I like to compound for, let's just, if it went from 20 cents to $1, I'll probably compound. Because a lot of people, I'm taking my money back. I'm probably going to take some out, but I'm more than likely going to compound for that first month at least. That way, when it starts getting to those down months, when I start withdrawing, when you're only getting 0.05 or something like that, instead of 1%, you're getting half of 1%, whatever that is. Or so 0.5%, you're still good. That's my goal. My goal is to compound. So when if it hits down times, if I'm withdrawing during that period and I want to use that money, it's a significant amount to where it's going to work out. Especially if I'm not going to put anything crazy in here. Maybe $2 max, maybe. $2 max, you know what I'm saying? But right now I'm just going to put $1,000 in. I'm just going to fall back. Somebody jumped in and sold 20. You gone, boy. So yeah, that's all I got, man. Make sure you guys press the like button. Press the dislike button twice. And do something to the like button. It's your boy Icy. And I'll see you guys on the next one.